Unit 2, The Story of Madras Presidency. Students, in this lesson we are going to learn about the history of Madras Presidency, the districts of Madras Presidency, the tourist places in Tamil Nadu. Madras Presidency. Students, do you know when it was formed? Yes, very good. 1801. Madras Presidency was formed in 1801. It was an important province of British India. Important province means administrative division. Province means administrative division. அதாவது அவங்களுடைய ஆட்சியிலே ரொம்ப முக்கியமான ஒரு பகுதியா இருந்தது. It was also known as Madras Province and officially known as the Presidency of Fort St. George. So Madras Presidency has another official name called Presidency of Fort St. George. It includes the areas of southern India such as the states of Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, parts of Odisha and the Union Territory of Lakshadweep. Students, when we call the Madras Presidency, what are the states included in that? Don't think it consists only Madras. No, it consists so many states. What are they? Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka and parts of Odisha and the Union Territory of Lakshadweep. All these states combined together and called as Madras Presidency. The city of Madras, now known as Chennai, was the capital of the presidency. So, which is the capital of Madras Presidency? Present Chennai. Present Chennai was the capital of Madras Presidency. In 1862, the province was divided into 22 districts. Because the Madras Presidency consists of so many states, it is very difficult to rule. So, they divided into 22 districts. Then it was divided into 24 districts. So, again 22 was divided into 24. Later in 1911, the province was further divided into 26 districts including North Arcot, South Arcot, Chengalpet, Madras, Salem, Coimbatore, Tiruchirappalli, Tanjavur, Madura, Ramnad, Tirunelveli and Nilgiris in Tamil Nadu. So the states were first divided into 22, again 24, again 26. So what are the districts include in that? North Arcot, South Arcot, Chengalpet, Madras, Salem, Coimbatore, Tiruchirappalli, Tanjavur, Madura, Ramnad, Tirunelveli and Nilgiris in Tamil Nadu. It was under British rule until 1947. So these states were divided like this until 1947. After independence. After 147 years of its formation, the Madras Presidency was renamed as Madras State in 1947 as India gained independence. After India's independence, Madras Presidency was renamed as Madras State. In 1956, the Madras State consisted of 4 regions comprising of 13 districts, namely Madras, Chengalpet, North Arcot, South Arcot, Salem, Tiruchirappalli, Tanjavur, Coimbatore, the Nilgiris, Madurai, Tirunelveli, Ramanathapuram and Kanyakumari. Students, in 1956, the Madras State contains 4 important regions and 13 districts. The 13 districts are divided into 4 important regions. It was officially renamed as Tamil Nadu in 1969. So the Madras state was changed into as Tamil Nadu in 1969. Let us learn more about the 4 regions of Tamil Nadu. Region 1. Region 1 consists of Madras, North Arcot and South Arcot. Now let us see about that. Madras. The modern districts of Chennai, Tiruvallur and Kanjipuram constituted the Madras district. So the Madras district consists of Chennai, Tiruvallur and Kanjipuram. British brought a part of the land from the Nayak rulers in 1639. They built Fort St. George and named the area Madarasapattinam. So the British people bought the land from Nayak rulers and they built one fort called Fort St. George and then named the area as Madarasapattinam. Here we can able to see the picture of Fort St. George. Gudiyam caves are rock shelters in South India and are known for their prehistoric stone tools and evidence of human living there nearby 2 lakh years ago. Gudiyam caves are very rock shelters in South India and they are the evidences that the human beings are living near to this area before 2 lakh years ago. Mamallapuram was created by the Pallava dynasty. It has many rock sculptures and it's declared by UNESCO as a World Heritage Site. It is a very best tourism place also. Many stone sculptures were very beautiful in Mahabalipuram. If you have chance, please visit this place. Next, Uruthiramerur, an ancient Sola village, is located in Kanjipuram district. The temple inscription of Uruthiramerur are notable for their historical description of rural self-governance. North Arcot. The modern districts of Velur and Tiruvannamalai constituted the North Arcot district. So what are the parts of North Arcot? Velur and Tiruvannamalai. Velur Fort is an ancient fort built in 1566 by Chinnabommi Nayak and Dimma Reddy Nayak. The Vainu Pappu Observatory is an astronomical observatory. It is located at Kavalur. This is the biggest observatory in Asia. Students, don't forget, it will come in one word. The Vainu Pappu Observatory is the biggest observatory in Asia. South Arcot. The modern districts of Viluppuram and Kadalur constituted the South Arcot districts. So what are the districts in South Arcot? Viluppuram and Kadalur. Aroville is an experimental township in Viluppuram district near Puducherry. When we are going from Chennai to Puducherry, we can able to see this Aroville. It is in the main entrance is in the main road itself. If we go there, it is a very nice tourism place also. It is a place where people from all over the world come and live together to build a culture of unity. Here you can see the picture of Aroville. Okay students, it is very nice to see. If it has a very big walking area. If you go inside, the inside structure will be very beautiful. Jinji Fort, also called as Senji Fort, is one of the beautiful forts in Tamil Nadu. This fortress is built across 3 hill rocks in Viluppuram district. The British called this fort as Troy of the East. So what is the special name for this Chenji Fort? Troy of the East. Porto Nova, also called as Parangipettai, is situated in Kadalur district. The first iron and steel industry of India was located at Porto Novo in 1830. Students, in today's video, we will see the history of Madras Presidency and Region 1. What are the districts in Region 1? Let us see the Region 2 in the next video.